So, Comp TIA plus implementation of automation and orchestration for security operations. So, in this exercise, welcome to the implementation of automation and orchestration for security operations practice. In this module, you will be provided with the instructions and devices needed to develop your hands-on skills. So, learning outcome. In this module, you will complete the following exercise. Exercise 1, creating automation scripts. After completing this module, you should be able to create a Linux automation script, create a basic PowerShell automation script, and lastly, creating users using script. Some objectives. The following objectives are covered in this module. 4.7 explain the importance of automation and orchestration related to secure operations. Use cases of automation and scripting and benefits. The lab durations, it will take approximately 1 hour to complete this lab. So help and support. For more information on the practice lab, please see our help and support page. You can also raise a technical support ticket from this page. So next. So lab topology. During this session, you will have access to the following lab configuration. Depending on the exercise, you may or may not use all of the devices, but they are shown here in the layout to get an overall understanding topology of the lab. So here's where the labs, including the ID01, IM01, IM11, Alma, that's K Ali. Next, exercise 1, creating automation scripts. Different operating systems use different file types that can be used for scripting. Microsoft operating system can use PowerShell scripts with file extension of .ps or command prompt file types with a file extension. In comparison, script files for Linux operating systems use the bash shell to create a file with a.sh extension. In this exercise, different scripting files will be identified and basic automation script will be created. So again, the relating outcomes or learning outcomes you will have after this exercise should be able to create a Linux automation script, create a basic automation PowerShell, and lastly, first using a script. So the devices that you will be using are these two, ID01, IWIN11, and lastly. So task 1, create a Linux automation script. Script files can be used to automate repetitive administration tasks to minimize administrative effort. The most commonly used file for creating a script using a Linux operating system in the bash shells is the .sh files. In this task, a simple Linux automation script will be created. So I will be connecting IALM. So select terminal in the activities menu. It's going to read this open. So again, from the select terminal in the activities menu. So terminal, Then the terminal window, type the following and press enter. So touch the documents that you're not sure. One, hit enter. Note, exiting the touch command will create files that will be backed up later using the files. In the terminal window, step 3, type the following ls-l document enter. So you will have this once you execute that. Executing the command will create 10 text files in the documents folder. The terminal again, type mkdir space backup. Hit enter. Note, the above command will create a backup directory. Terminal ls-l. Enter. So here, executing the command will list the user's home folder content. Then step 6. The following touch backup as .sh. Enter. Then note, executing the touch command will create a file that will be used to create a backup script. Step 7. Type the following. im space I dot sh. Enter. Oh, then the terminal key window or the terminal window, press the I key. Open the tab if you're not sure. I. Pressing the I key enables editing the file using the VIM application. The terminal windows, type the following. So, type again. Then slash or fb slash backup. The correct picture. Note, the VIM applications is used to create a basic script file that will back up the documents folder to the backup directory. So in the Vim application, press the yes or escape. You're not sure. Then again, it's sure. Step 11. Enter the following. WQ. Hit enter. So once you have enter, um, type this terminal. Enter. Node. CHMOD is to be used with plus X parameter to make the script file executable. In the terminal window, type the following and press enter. ls backup dot sh. Then hit enter. Note, the command displays the property of the created script file. In the terminal window, type the following and press enter. So dot slash backup sh. Enter. So note, the terminal or the script that was created will create a backup of the user's documents folder. The backup folder. The script can be automated to run at a specific time. Now close the terminal window. Task 2. Create a basic PowerShell automation script. So Windows PowerShell can be used to create scripts to automate specific administrative tasks. For example, mapping a shared network drive, creating scripts can reduce administrative effort needed to complete repetitive tasks. In this task, a basic PowerShell automation script will be created. Will be ID 1 device. So click the File Explorer icon on the taskbar. Then step 2. In the File Explorer window, expand this and select local disk. So step 3, right click in the right pane and select folder. Folder. So step 4, rename the new folder to the following and press enter. So marketing, enter. So step 5, right click on the marketing folder and select properties. So click marketing, then select properties. Step 6, the marketing properties window, select the sharing lab or sharing tab. Then step 7, advanced sharing. Then step 8, share this folder checkbox. Click OK. And step 9, close the marketing properties. So close. Close the File Explorer window. Step 10, connect to ACI WIN11. So right-click the Start Charm and select Windows Terminal Admin. So in the Administrator window, PowerShell window, type the following and press Enter. So notepad.exe, not sure again, type it, map drive, hit Enter. So in the Notepad pop-up window, select Yes. Then step 13, the map drive notepad window, type the following. So new provider branch. Um, Step 14, the notepad, click the file menu and select Save File. Close the notepad window. Step 15, Step 15, the administrator window, PowerShell window. Windows PowerShell window, type the following, press enter. Dot or dash. Set. Unrestricted. So set dash execution policy is restricted. Then hit enter. Type the following in the administrator Windows PowerShell. Press enter. That Open the File Explorer from the taskbar. Step 18. The recently mapped marketing network drive is displayed in the File Explorer. The PowerShell script can be used to map network drives or users log in. So close the File Explorer, the PowerShell. Task 3. Creating users using a script. Cybersecurity specialists can use Windows PowerShell to automate creating users using the script. In this task, a Windows PowerShell script will be created to provision a user account. So connect to this device, right click Start, and select Windows PowerShell Admin. In step 2, enter the following dash for the marketing form. Enter. Step 3, PowerShell Administrator window PowerShell event forms. Enter the following. Pad one. Enter. Yes. Then step 5, create user notepad. Type the following. So once you type the following, which is import dash module space Active Directory space dash AD user space dash name read dash host their name and so on. And step 6 in the create user notepad window, click file and select save. Then close notepad. Then step 7, enter that dash user at ps1, enter. Step 8, enter the following and press enter. That 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 Enter. Step 9, restore server manager from the test bar. So step 10, server manager window, click tools and select Active Directory users and computers. Tools, Active Directory users. Step 11, in the Active Directory users and computers window, expand acitlab.com and select the marketing organization. Note, the user Subi was successfully created using the PowerShell script. This script can be used to quickly create users in Active Directory when compared to the amount of time it used to create users in Active Directory users and computers. Close all open windows. Close, close, close. Keep all devices you have powered on in their current state and proceed to the review section. Next, review. Well done. You have completed the implementation of automation orchestration for security operations practice labs. Summary. Completed the following exercise. Exercise 1, creating automation scripts. You should now be able to create a Linux automation script, create a basic PowerShell automation script, and lastly, creating user script using a user using a script. So feedback, all 5 stars, submit. So done, and then, oh, sorry. Ah,